Hi, I'm Dato Sydney Tan. I'm the Managing Director of Watson Tyres Sdn Bhd and also the Asia Marketing Director for Maxxis International. So it started with my father. So I was offered a job in US. My father hoped that I can join him in his company. So I came back, worked in the family business, and my mentor is Dr. Wally Chen. He was the president of Maxxis International and currently the chairman. He gave me a lot of opportunity and inspiration pertaining to communication in different cultures and different countries. We traveled to a lot of different places, meeting clients, and he also inspired me how I look at marketing. It's a male-dominant industry. Women have very little say, well, at least in my family in Malaysia, where most people are not that well educated. That is probably the reason I'm still in it, because I hope and I want to inspire change. The first one would be resistance to change. Being in a family business, my family is actually Teochew. So Teochew, naturally, they are more, my parents, or I should say my father, is more fond of male. So the son has more say than the daughters, generally. Most of the time, my voices are not heard. And within the company structure, there is lack transformation, it lacks empowerment. So people tend to get very complacent. And when that happens, it also translates to less than satisfactory growth. Second challenge would be whenever I propose something, an idea, a transformation, or some reform, I tend to face criticism and also rejection. My greatest accomplishment is the lesson I learned. I learned to persevere, although there are so many obstacles along the way, a lot of nays, but it's all about learning how to filter out the noises, develop the faith in myself. I would say you need to have a good sense to move forward. And when I say good sense, it means mental, physical well-being, being present to prevent falling off the balance. Being present is very important. Being yourself, being who you are, will keep you grounded, and that keeps you moving in balance.